it though too. She's her
Yeah,
mind strays too much.
Nina, get up.
Yeah. Look at Jane. Look at her.
I'm not interested in game.
So like, I am bored. Yeah. She's
She's
been in one place for a pretty long time now.
Hey. Oh, Nina, let's sit up. And let's sit pretty. Sit. 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 Good girl. Stay. Stay. That's fine. I'm videotaping.
Oh. Same pretty girl. I gave her some of that whipped cream.
Oh.
Dropped.
Yeah.
She's leaning on me.
Uh-huh.
When Cole first put this on, she was afraid to go close to him to get it straight, and she was right by me like...
Spray, I was gonna put shoes on.
Touch your feet. That's like she does.
What is that?
I put lotion on my hands at night. She's afraid I'm going to rub it on her feet. And if she's on the bed, she just sneaks out the end and goes and hides in the corner.
I need you.
Okay.
I'm a
Well,
pretty
let's
girl.
see.
Damn, a pretty girl.
There.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah. Your eyes. Water probably itching her, maybe.
It hasn't been bugging her or anything. She hasn't been scratching it.
Don't you think it's time to take it off? It's pretty hot in the kitchen.
Do you want that off?
Let her go pee first.
Better take this off.
Nina, come on. Go